Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are dyeing fabric with unicorn spit. This is a fun spring project. Are you ready? Let's dye some fabric and make some pillows. Make sure to set the color with a spray sealer once the fabric is dry to keep it perfect. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts and I will see you next week. Bye.